Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss top class in Microsoft SQL Server. Basically, the top class is used to display the top records from the table. First of all, you have need to open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and I have already opened the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Next, I will create a database in Microsoft SQL Server. Create database metro demo and select the query and execute the query. Press F5 and then use the metro demo database. Currently, I have used the Metro Demo database. Next, I will create a table employee with 4 columns. EMP ID int, EMP name varchar 50, EMP city varchar 50, EMP email varchar 50, and select the query and execute the query. Press F5. Command completed successfully means table created successfully, and then I will insert 5 records inside the employee table. Right here, insert into employee values 1 Amit Noida and Amit @gmail.com. Execute the query. 1 record inserted inside the employee table, and next I will copy and paste right here to Amita Noida, amita@gmail.com, and then select and execute the query. 1 row affected. Second record inserted inside the table employee, and then third record 3 Amita Delhi, and Amita 123@gmail.com. Select and execute the query. Okay. Third record inserted inside the employee table, and then right here 4 Shashank Noida, Shashank @gmail.com. Execute the query, and fourth record successfully inserted inside the employee table, and then 5 Chanchal Noida, and Chanchal @gmail.com. Select the query and execute the query. Okay, I have successfully inserted 5 record inside the employee table, and next I will remove all these queries, and then next I will use the top class in editor, Microsoft SQL Server editor. Right here, the select top 3 star from employee. This query, this top class query, display the top 3 records from the employee table. Look here and press F5. Okay, look here, top 3 record display here. Okay, if you simply write here 2, it will display the top 2 records from the employee table. This is the number. According to number, the record displayed by this query, you can also use the percentage like 20% and then select it and execute the query. Look here, it will display the 1 record because I have 5 record and 20% of 5 record is 1, so it will display the 1 record from the employee table. Thank you friends, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.